We would like to welcome your department to We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professional network for law enforcement. If you have never seen the video about the program's history and would like to know more, please check out the video entitled We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together in the We Never Walk Alone video series. In today's video, you will learn how to set your password for the first time, or what to do if you've forgotten your password, or how to reset your password. First, you will need to go to WeNeverWalkAlone.org in your browser. The home page should look like this. Locate the Forgot Password link. Even if this is your first time visiting our site, click the Forgot Password link. This action will take you to the Forgot Your Password page. You will need to enter your department email address into the box provided. Do not use a personal email address, as each account is created using your department-specific email as your ID. Then click on the Request a Password Reset button. This action will automatically generate an email to your account from support@weneverwalkalone.org that you have requested a password reset. If you don't see the email right away, please check your spam folder. Click the link in the email to set or reset your password. Your department ID will automatically be generated in the email address field. You will then enter the new password that you desire into the next box. This does not have to be any fancy combination of upper or lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols of a certain length, just something that's easy for you to remember. Re-enter the password to confirm your choice. Then click the Change My Password button. That's it. You have now successfully reset your password, or set your password if you've forgotten the old one, or set your password for the very first time. The process is exactly the same for all three scenarios. Once your password is set, you can sign in and use the mobile app as well as the website. The mobile app will allow you to literally have help at your fingertips. Simply enter your department email and your current password and click the Login button. We hope that you will take the time to familiarize yourself with both the website and the app so that you're comfortable with how each one works. This way you will be prepared if the need should ever arise. We want you to know that there is always someone available so that we never walk alone. Just a word of caution. Each time you click on the Request a Password Reset button, a new email is sent with a password reset link in it. Always use the link in the most recent email and ignore the previous ones, as they automatically expire when a newer request is made.